Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, let's go into the settings. From here you're looking for an option called storage, right over here. And you should see your SD card below. As you can see, for me it's right over here. So let's tap on it. 3 dots and storage settings. And from here you should see the format option. So once you tap on it, it will bring up this window right here with a message that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So if there's anything on that SD card that you would like to keep, you might want to, like you can see, back it up. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, select Format SD card. The process will immediately begin, and it only takes about a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, the card is ready to be used right away. So click on Done, and you're finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.